In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TXT in Wix 2026. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, where you can manage settings, tools, and integrations. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains many of the behind-the-scenes options for your site, so if you don't see everything right away, just take your time and scroll as needed. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find Marketing Integrations. Go ahead and click there. This area is where Wix lets you connect external tools and services that support your website's marketing and advertising setup. Once you're inside, look for the TXT option and click Connect. This will open the connection setup and show you the instructions Wix provides for adding it properly. From here, Wix will display how the connection works. The important thing to understand is that before the setup is complete, you first need to create an ads.txt file. This file is used to declare authorized sellers for your site's ad inventory, and it's a common requirement for ad-related integrations. Make sure you follow exactly what Wix shows on the screen, since the format and placement need to be correct for the connection to work properly. After you create the ads.txt file, the next step is to add it to your site. Wix will guide you through this part directly in the setup screen, so the easiest approach is simply to follow the instructions shown there. Take a moment to review each part carefully before confirming anything, especially if this is your first time working with ads.txt. A small formatting mistake can prevent the file from being recognized, so accuracy matters here. Once the file has been added successfully, that's it. Your TXT setup is complete. At that point, the main thing left to do is allow a little time for the changes to take effect, since some updates may not appear instantly. If you're following along and something looks slightly different on your screen, that can happen if Wix updates the layout, but the overall process should still be the same. Go to your site dashboard, open Settings, scroll to Marketing Integrations, click Connect on TXT, create your ads.txt file, and then add it by following the on-screen steps. And that's how to add TXT in Wix 2026.